Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Um, I know I've been talking about wanting to do a Model T root build. I believe let's just go ahead and do that. I mean, the Model T is the ancestor of all the hot rods and crap, man. Um, I can't think of a car that you can build so many different ways. I mean, you can build, like like I said in my other video, everything from a sawmill to a dragster out of it. I mean, it's like that. You know, everybody's got Model Ts. These are just the ones I had within arm's length without opening any boxes here. But you don't have to limit yourself to the chop T and the T Roadster. That's a Jimmy Flintstone body there, and I don't even know if they made this in white plastic, but it's old black plastic tall T. But you don't have to limit yourself to any of those. I mean, that's a Model T right there. Right? Got that. Got the classic green Hornet. That's a Model T. Then you got the Model Ts that are Model Ts. I already, said something about the chop T. You got the chop T. Net boxing of it, that's the same thing. Chop T. These are just the ones I have. And there's tons more out there. Hell, even this that's a Model T, believe it or not, man. It's based around Model T. The like 80% of all those show cars in the 70s were Model Ts, or based off of a Model T. The possibilities are literally endless, man. You had farmers, man, they made a tractor conversion, and then, I'm sure they used to power all kinds of, different things you could power with a belt drive. Plus, like I said, I mean, let's see. I really got to get this out. Finish it. This is a Model T as well. Needs a lot of work, but you can see which ways it's going. But yeah, I mean, T Speedster. It's all up to your imagination and everything. I mean, if y'all want to do this, let's start it next Friday. That will be the what's today's date? Today's the 12th, so that'd be the 19th. Let's go the 19th through April Fool's Day. How's that sound? I mean, that's 3 months. I mean, January, February, March, 1st of April. It's 2.5 months, man. There's nothing to a Model T, man, unless you get, like, carried away and overpowered, man, doing all the tiny details and stuff, man. But there's just so many ways you can build one. I mean, I'm just kind of curious to see what everybody comes up with. Well, anyway, that's that, and comment down below. Let me know. Post a video if you want in on this, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.